How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, it looks like Android users have been given the short end of the stick once again by DJI. If you were planning on using your Android phone to practice in the simulator like the Apple phones do, well, you're gonna have to wait for another update. But before you flick that switch and put it into manual mode, I definitely suggest you practice some first. And the workaround for Android users to get into a simulator? Well, it's quite simple. It's right here in your controller. You can plug in just like the other controllers do. The original FPV controller didn't support Sims until DJI unlocked it with a firmware update. And DJI has now done the same with the new DJI FPV controller. Simulators like Liftoff aren't true to life, but they're really close enough. I personally use the DRL sim. I really enjoy the maps and graphics. Another popular simulator is Velocidrone, but with all of these simulators, you're going to have to calibrate your controller first. This is very important. Once you plug your controller into your PC, the simulator will walk you through the calibration steps. Before you flick that switch and put it into acro or manual mode, I recommend at least 5 hours of practice before you start flying the real thing. You don't want to crash your $1,300 investment on the very first day. Stay safe and have fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.